Breastfeeding during the first 30 days can feel overwhelming, especially for new parents. Knowing what to expect day by day can help you feel more confident and prepared. Let's break down breastfeeding from day 1 to day 30 in a simple, clear way. On day 1, your baby is born with a very small stomach, about the size of a cherry. Your body produces colostrum, a thick, yellowish milk packed with antibodies and nutrients. Even though the amount seems small, it's exactly what your baby needs. Your newborn may feed every 1 to 3 hours, sometimes even more frequently. From day 2 to day 3, your baby may want to breastfeed very often. This is normal and is called frequent or cluster feeding. It helps stimulate your milk supply. Your breasts may start to feel fuller as your milk begins transitioning from colostrum to mature milk. Between day 3 and day 5, your milk comes in. Breasts may feel heavy, warm, or engorge. Feed your baby often and ensure a good latch to relieve discomfort and maintain milk flow. Wet and dirty diapers will increase, which is a great sign your baby is getting enough milk. From day 6 to day 10, breastfeeding usually becomes more predictable. Babies typically feed 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. You may notice your baby swallowing more clearly, and stools become yellow and seedy. Your confidence may slowly start to grow. During week 2, your baby may go through a growth spurt. This often leads to more frequent feeding, fussiness, and shorter sleep periods. This is completely normal and temporary. Your body responds by increasing milk production. In week 3, many babies become more alert and efficient at breastfeeding. Feeds may feel shorter but more effective. You may start recognizing hunger cues more easily, such as rooting, sucking hands, or lip smacking. By week 4, breastfeeding often feels more established. Your milk supply begins to regulate based on your baby's needs. Some babies develop longer stretches of sleep at night, while others continue frequent feeds. Both are normal. Throughout the first 30 days, remember that every baby is unique. Pain, cracked nipples, or concerns about milk supply are common but manageable with proper support. Reach out to a lactation consultant or healthcare provider if needed. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. With patience, support, and time, the first month lays a strong foundation for a successful breastfeeding journey.